Hello my dear friends, today I have brought you another video for duct installation, GI duct installation. We are going to do today two types of duct in GI. One is below 450 mm, another is above 450 mm. So below 450 mm we will use S-clit, C-clit, S-putty, C-putty, and above 450 mm it will be flange type or duct mate or with the C-clit. So please guys, sup support us, subscribe our channel, share as much as you can to the other people who wants to learn the basic. Please help us, support us or pray for us. Let's start our process. To do the duct erection, duct installation, duct joining, we require this material. If you can see in front of me, there is C-clit, S-clit, and these are the tools: gasket, sealant, nuts, bolts are required. Now we'll show you. You can see in my hand I have taken two pieces. This is S-putty we call it. This is C-putty we call it. To do the duct connection below 450 mm sizes, we will use C-putty, S-putty, and for the above 450 the duct mate flange will come. So let's start our process. Now you can see in front of me there is a duct piece. We are now fixing the S-clit, S-putty, you can say in local language. Now we will fix the VCD also to that, because we have a VCD also in same branch. So you can see the VCD also how we are fixing, and you have to make sure the VCD location in the drawing exactly where it is coming, and you have to see the coordination drawing. When we are fixing the VCD, the handle should be in the proper reaching area. So you can see now we fixed already the VCD in the S-putty. Now we will put the C-putty to join this VCD. So first we fix the S-putty, the duct, both sides, width side, and now height side we are fixing the C-putty, as you can see after fixing the VCD. This is the process to join the VCD to the duct, which is 450 mm lesser duct, has no flange, so we have to use this S-putty and C-putty. As you can see here, we need to cut this piece to make proper bend. Now we have to fill the gap with the sealant. This is approved sealant for this project. So we have to fill the gap with the S-putty to the VCD, all around the VCD and duct, to avoid any air leakage. So you have to make sure a proper sealant to be done, otherwise the air leakage can happen after installation. So you have to make sure this is a important point for the ducting erection or installation or joining. You can see here. We have here Fevicol sealant approved for this project. So all around the duct we have to apply or fill the gap with the ice putty and in between the VCD. So this is the way we need to do the joining. Now we are joining other piece of duct. Other side you can see the piece. The same process to be done for the both sides. Extra piece need to cut. Or bend. Seal it. Yes. Now we are applying this sealant. Other side, below side before. Now the upper part. The same way we need to apply all around the joint. And one more thing, even with the VCD also, when they joint here, we also applied here sealant also. You can see here in my finger. So you have to make sure the gap also covered by the sealant. So this is the way of joining duct with the S putty and C putty, including VCD. Now we have another piece to show you. This is duct mate joint. You can see the flange all around the duct, because this duct is above 450 mm and this is the near the FU piece. You can see inside the duct liner also. See this? So this is FU piece after mouth connection. So we will see how we will connect this joint together and the process how we will do. Let's see. So we are applying now gasket. The joint gasket is must to seal the gap. Because ducts to be airtight, joints to be airtight in order to avoid any air leakage. This is compulsory, mandatory, proper gasket application. Another piece which we are going to join this, there also we will apply the same holes to be avoided because you need to fix their nut and bolt to join the duct. You can see here. This is the way of joining the ducts with a flange type. Upper part and lower part washer should be there. Here you can see both sides the washer should be there. The same way we will fix 4 side nut and bolt. This 8 mm nut bolt. If you have bigger size duct, the bolt nut size will be increased. So for this 450 mm we have just 8 mm nut and bolt washer. Now we are tightening the nut and bolts. You can see. After tightening the nut and bolts, we will put the C-clit. You can see this is C-clit. The same way you need to apply 4 sides. You can see here. This area is 2 only required, that's like only 1 required. As you can see, we need to fix 4 sides, all 3 clips. We already fixed 3 sides, now 4th sides are fixing. You can see here we already fixed the supports. This is 25 mm angle, and we have thread dot 8 mm nut washer bolt 8 mm, and above this angle we have a foam strip above the support. That's all. This is the way of installation. Very simple, very easy. The support distance should be as per your support schedule of supports in your specification or as per SPACNA. This is the way. As I told you before, the VCD location must be checked before you fix it, because as per the coordination drawing it should be in the free area. This is the FCU we have here. For this we have installed our duct. You can see here all over the. After installation of this piece, we will take the actual measurement for the mouthpiece, then we will send for the fabrication. The mouthpiece will be sent after installation of FCU and after erecting our duct piece near to the FCU. Then only we will take the actual measurement of our plenum, or you can say our mouth connection piece for the FCU. You can see here. The support distance, angle size is all depend on your schedule, and the angle size will be increased based on your duct size.